Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you 10 new bags from Louis Vuitton, and this is going to be for their fall winter 2022. Launch date, guys, is around August. So I'm so excited to be sharing this to you guys. Now we are going to have a first look. So I'm so excited to share to you guys. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Hi guys, Ron here is looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, guys. So kindly click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at NeverFull, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So guys, the opinions that I would be sharing today would just be my very own and personal opinions. I hope I would not be offending anyone because of course, we have very different style and taste. So guys, if for example, you like something here on this new 10 new Louis Vuitton bags, then guys, as long as you know it makes your heart sing, it sparks joy in you, then I would go for it and have fun. So let us begin. Alright, so for the very first new Louis Vuitton bags that we are going to discuss first, guys, these are the bags that unfortunately I don't like from the collection. It is of course I feel with the color combination. So let us start first with bag number 10. And this is the Speedy 25. So as you are going to see here, actually guys, the good thing about this collection, like for example this bag, if we are going to zoom in, you are going to notice that the base monogram, I like actually the base monogram because it's on different color. What I don't like about this Speedy 25 is the color combination, guys. Let us be honest. Of course, I'm sure some would like this, or actually many would like this, but for me guys, I am looking at this bag and I am reminded of my grandma's, throw pillow cover because of how they treated with the flowers. It's making this bag, it looks really old. I'm sorry guys, again, it's just my opinion, but I think what's making this Speedy 25 looking really old is the color combination. So the base monogram, it's on like a gold tone, beige color. Then there is no bacheta, so you are going to see that the handles, the leather trims, and the detachable shoulder strap, it's like a dark brown color, which I feel that the color combination on this bag, guys, to be honest, this is not my favorite. Again, it is looking really old. Bag number 9, again guys, another bag fail for me is the NeverFull MM. So this one guys, again, it's another bag that's looking really old and dated for me. It looks like it really does remind me, this bag number 10 and bag number 9, it reminds me of the 80s and not in a good way. So again, we are going to see here, if we are going to zoom in, the base monogram I super love. It reminds me of the Tigerama collection because we are going to see here, it looks like gray or silver. Can you see that, guys? And then of course it is painted. So guys, at this point I cannot guarantee whether this is hand painted or it's printed on the monogram, but I'm guessing this is printed. So we are going to see that the rose, there are prints of roses, random roses on the back, and then of course the leather trim, same with the Speedy 25, it's the dark brown leather trims, shoulder strap, then leather trim. Again, it's not for me, so it's again reminds me of my grandma and making this bag look really old. Alright, so for bag number 8, so same category with bags 10, 9. So bag number 8 is the Nano bucket. So this one guys, this is actually a cute little bag. So Louis Vuitton has been bringing up their vintage bag, and this is one of them, the Nano bucket, because if you're going to notice, and definitely it would remind you of the vintage Louis Vuitton bags. I'm going to try a photo here for reference. So again guys, same thing, unfortunately not for me. Making the print and the color combination is making the bag looks old, because guys, look at the keyclay or the coin pouch that it comes with. If we are going to zoom in closely, you are going to notice how actually the monogram looks really, really beautiful, because if you are going to notice, the base would be like the painting or the print of the flower, then they put on top of it the monogram, which the LVs and the monogram flowers, you are going to see, if you are going to take a look at it, there would be like the flowers behind them, which for me, that is working. But overall, with this combination, dark brown leather trim and this cream colored monogram, no, not for me. So I'm passing on the Nano. Okay, so for bag number 7, so this is the On The Go MM. So for this combination, guys, this is somewhat I kind of like, which I feel is more successful compared to the previous bags that I've just discussed. And I feel, if you would agree or disagree, would be of the color combination of the monogram canvas against the leather. So just like what I mentioned earlier, so if we are going to zoom in on the monogram, the color is really beautiful. So you are going to see that the base again would be the flowers, and on top of it would be the silver gray monogram, which the LVs and the monogram flowers, you would see the prints of the flowers, which I super love. And then on this one, guys, I love that it's not just roses that they have printed on this monogram on the On The Go MM. So we are going to see, I think this is kind of a different flower. So it has more of the leaves and it's looking like a beautiful garden to me. Then guys, it's like what I mentioned. So with this one, it doesn't come with the vachetta, but the treated leather that it comes with, it's a little bit lighter. So if we are going to again compare it to, let's say, the Nano bucket and the others, you are going to see on that one, the leather trim is a dark brown leather on, and this one, it's more of like the H vachetta, but I think this is not an H vachetta, so it's still a treated leather, but it's somewhat lighter, and for me, this works on this On The Go MM. Alright, so for bag number 6 would be the Coussin BB. So this one, guys, so the classic Coussin, so you are going to see, so again, the very beautiful printed flower on the lambskin leather, of course. So as we know, this one, it's super expensive because it's made of 100% lambskin leather. So this one, guys, I also like comparing to the bags 8, 9, and 10. For me, this is a little bit more successful when it comes to using the flower print. I love the combination of flowers that they have used here. For me, this is looking more of an artwork compared to just, you know, being forced, doing random flowers. So for me, this one I really like. Right, so for bag number 5 is Dauphine MM. So this one, guys, again, for me, this is working the color combination. So we are going to see that the base material is the silver, then it comes with, so the underneath of the flap, you are going to see that there are no flower print. You are going to see only the LV and the LV flowers. And then on top of the flap, we are going to see the print of the different flowers and roses. Then the leather that it comes with. So this is not like the dark brown leather. So hopefully, guys, I'm correct that this is not like the super dark brown color that I was not really liking. Maybe this is just the lighting, but for this photo, guys, I'm seeing that it is on a lighter shade. That is why for me, this is working. Right, so for bag number 4 and 3, this is more of an SLG. For the SLG number 4, it's the zippy wallet. So this is what I was telling it to you guys. Can you imagine if they are just going to remove the flowers on top of the monogram? So we are going to see that how they did it is, of course, flower print would be the very first one. Then they are going to put on top of it the Louis Vuitton monogram. That's why you are going to see here the image that we are going to see with the LV logo and the LV flowers. It's the silhouette of the flowers underneath. That is why I super love this combination. To be honest, guys, I actually prefer it even better if they are going to remove the roses. So for me, I like this zippy wallet. SLG number 3, so we have the flat card holder. So same category as SLG number 3. So we are not going to see here the printed or the paint of the flowers. We are just going to see here the classic Louis Vuitton monogram, and underneath it is the flower print, which I super love, because honestly guys, I would always fall as a victim to Louis Vuitton if they are doing something really beautiful to the Louis Vuitton monogram, just like this one. I super like this. So for bag number 2, it's the Pochette Cousin. So hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. So guys, this one, so it's making my heart sing. So it's really sparking a joy on the big time for this one, because again guys, I was correct when I said that the base flower print, and then they are going to layer it with the Louis Vuitton monogram. So you are going to see here, that is why it would seem that the LV logo and the Louis Vuitton flower, it looks like a multicolored one, because if you are going to zoom in, those are actually flower prints. I super love this one. Can you imagine guys, if they are going to continue with this material and color combination, I would dream that they are going to do, let's say, a Nano Speedy, then Speedy 20. OMG, that would be super nice and super gorgeous. So for bag number 1, same one or same category, the Coussin PM. So just like with bag number 2, super love the treatment of this one. Of course, the black soft, or of course the black lambskin, plus the what looks like the multicolored Louis Vuitton motif is standing out against that very beautiful black color with gold hardware. Super love this one. Again guys, I am just praying that they are going to continue, like maybe a minor or part 2 of this collection using this combination, because I think everyone is a fan of the multicolored, right? Do you agree? So for this one, I really love the Coussin PM. There you go guys, the 10 new Louis Vuitton bags for fall winter 2022. Again, launch date is in August this year. So if I would know more info, like for example the exact date, I'm going to post on my community wall. But again guys, I would love to hear from you. Among these 10 pieces, which one do you like best? And guys, do you agree with my opinion that some of them looks a little bit old, a little bit dated? Or again, if you feel those are really beautiful, please do let me know and comment down below. Again guys, I am inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in this episode. Hope you enjoy it. So I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!